lalabs, another video, but the same day. For today's video, we are going to Dusit Hotel. So mag-breakfast kami doon kasi meron akong Urban Point vouchers. So 100 QR for 2 people. So unplanned. So ayan mga lalabs. So
lazy to make food in the house.
Lazy to make food in the house. So that is a breakfast and lunch. So we sit there how many hours, then we go home, then sleep and video and
again hungry.
So ayan, malapit lang dito. Ayan na po yung city center. Ayan na po yung city center mga baby loves. So ayan, sa Dusit tayo pupunta siya. Very early. That is last time we went there at it is, yeah, that is what is this? It's a sports bar. That guy in Crossroads Kitchen, the Filipino guy that he always serve us, he is there. He asked me please come, but only that last year only. Yeah, at it is there is burger. We order burger. It's very nice, the burger. And they have also happy hour. What is that? Dusit mga lalabs. So, mura na po yung breakfast mga lalabs. Kasi pag may voucher ka, sa 50 QR per person, ayan, makain mo na lahat kung gusto mo. Kasi buffet. So yun po yung technique namin. Pag Friday, kasi pag lunch, mahal kasi dito eh. Mahal. So ang breakfast yung mura. So, yan na yung breakfast until lunch na yan namin. Hindi na kami kain ng lunch. Ay mga lalabs. So, ito po yung, yeah, I can, you can ask there, Han. I forget. So, dito tayo sa diplomatic area. Yan, sa West Bay. West Bay ba ito dito? Parang West Bay na rin. Basta diplomatic area ito mga lalabs. Ganda, diba? Sa Dusit. Pasok na tayo. Where is this? Washroom. Okay. I will take some video here. Ang ganda. Dito na ako sa lobby mga lalabs. Hello my loves. So second floor. Face all the time.
Maybe fully booked.
No, always not fully booked. It's nice. Tayo. I will check. Ito na tayo mga lalab sa loob ng restaurant. Ito na tayo ng mga food nila. Let lang. So, nuts and cereals. Ayan. Yan po yung view sa labas. Malaki yung restaurant dito. So, meron silang fresh juice, mango, and lemon mint juice. Ay, meron din silang detox water. Ayan. And of course, meron silang Ano dito? Pancake. Waffle. Waffles and pancakes area. So, ito naman yung food. Grilled tomato. Ayan. Roasted potato with parsley. Beef bacon. Oh, walang pork dito mga lalabs. Chicken sausage. Tapos may baked beans. And ito yung Indian food na ito mga lalabs. Ayan, meron silang jera rice. Indian samosa, Indian. Tapos meron silang soup. Tapos coffee, tea, bread section. Then, ito po yung ano nila, salad section. Ayan. Mga cheese, fresh meat, cold meat pala. Ito yung, diba? Ito po yung fruit section. Fresh fruits. Mga dessert. Fruit salad, strawberry yogurt, just plain yogurt, halloumi cheese, and mga kind of cheese. Different kind of cheese. So, yan. Tapos ito tayo mag-order ng omelette. Scrambled egg. Perong boiled and oatmeal. May oatmeal sila mo. Hi. Can I order omelette? You can put everything. Hello to my vlog. Thank you. So ito po yung bread section. Wow, this is my favorite. Ito yung favorite ko mga loves, yung mga fruits sa tops. Ayan. So, pwede kayong mag-toast dito. Si Busing. Ito po yung table natin. Kuha muna tayo ng foods mga lalabs. Mga lalabs. Wala silang white rice. Parang Indian rice. Ito, so, may omelette. So, mag-request ka lang doon. Nag-yogurt na si Dodong. Ganda dito kasi back-to-back ang mirror. O, diba? So, let's eat na mga lalabs. Kain tayo. Legit lang mga lalabs. Where you take coffee, huh? You are the one who take? Tapos meron akong Danish bread. Ayan. Tapos may coffee, may juice. Minimix ko yung lemon mint juice and mango. Ayan, let's eat. No diet for today. Wala tayong diet. Sarap. Sweet melon. Taba ko na mga lalabs. Very fat now. Ayan, tapos na kami na breakfast dito sa Tez All Day Dining. Uwi na kami. Tapos na naggalak-galak konti. Thank you for the breakfast, my loves. Guys, lobby area mga lalabs. Gusto na breakfast. No pictures, han? Exit. Our exit is here pala. We use the entrance. The exit. Mainit na mga lalabs. It's not too hot. So we roundings first here. Just wait a little bit. So meron ata silang, meron silang coffee shop dito mga lalabs sa labas. Kaso nga, hi, you take a picture here. Ayan, may garden sila na. Ayan, may coffee. Pero hindi na yata to ano eh. Pero naka-display lang. Siguro, naglagay sila ng upuan dito kapag winter time. Hi mga lalabs! Tapos na pa kami na breakfast. Going home. So, yun lang mga lalabs. So, ngayon is 9:30 AM. 9:30. So, konti lang. Ilang oras lang kami sa labas. Kasi lumabas kami ng bahay mga ano na eh. Punta kami sa 974 beach kanina is magsi-7. So 2 hours lang and a half. Stay outside. Hindi nga outside eh, sa loob ng hotel kasi sobrang init. Affordable price. So thank you so much everyone. Have a good Friday. Bye. Bye bye.